Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Aftab Homeo Tips. Hope you are fine, and this is my video about full body whitening. I have seen many comments of people who are watching my video from abroad and they are requesting to make a video on full body whitening in English so that they can understand and can use the effectiveness of homeopathic treatment in their country. So this video is being made on the request of many of my foreign subscribers in English. So if any of you don't understand it or want to understand, listen it in Urdu, the video, there are 2-3 videos already uploaded on my channel in Urdu, my native language, Urdu or Hindi. If you can understand that, you can watch it in my video tab of my channel. So let's talk about full body whitening. What is it and how is it to be achieved? First of all, let me tell you that nature has given us a specific color by birth, and it is formed due to the presence of melanin pigment underneath our skin layer, and that melanocyte cells cause and affect the appearance, the level, the intensity of our color, whether it's if there are more melanocyte cells, melanin pigments underneath your skin, the skin will be shown as darker. If there are less melanin pigmentation, the skin will be lighter. Therefore, it is proved that people living in UK, USA, America, especially British countries, they have whitish appearance because they have less melanocyte cells, less melanin pigment underneath their skin layer. That's why their color is quite fair. Similarly, people living in Africa and other countries have more melanin pigmentation under their skin, and therefore they look a bit darker. And people living in Asian countries have a little bit balance in between, and their color is quite not extremely fair and not extremely dark. So in order to understand this, we have described the reason behind the color of our skin. Now let's talk about if you have a dull skin, or if you are good at your childhood, if your skin was white, fair, if your complexion was okay when you were a child or a teenager, but with time you have developed some skin problems or some internal disease problems which cause your body a lot of damage, due to which the appearance of your skin also look dull, dark, and some parts of your bodies also may appear darker than the other parts of the body, like your underarms, your knuckles, your elbows, knees, foot, or any other part of your body. Your face may develop a skin discoloration, which means that one part of your body will look different from the other parts of your bodies in shape of in type of its color. Okay, so this is how we describe discoloration of skin. Another form of problem is melasma, chloasma, or which is also called as hyperpigmentation. That pigmentation usually appear in women, more likely appear in women after childbirth or menopause stage. That pigmentation usually appears like a saddle across your nose, cheeks, upper lips, or any part on your face or body. That will look like a saddle or a patch on your skin, or especially on cheeks. I will post a picture of that on the side that you can better understand what I am talking about, the type of problem. Okay, so all this type of discoloration of skins are because of some internal hormonal imbalance or some internal liver problem or some internal problem caused by some disease which you have gone through in your history, in your past. If you had a liver problem like jaundice or enlarged liver or other such kind of problem in your past, you are more likely to develop dark spots, dull look, dirty skin, or even melasma. Okay, and if you have others some other kind of problem like typhoid, hepatitis, or other such problem which cause you extreme level of damage from inside your body, your skin will also not look fresh. It will badly affect your skin, and sometimes spots, freckles, and melasma spots may also appear on your skin, on your hands, and some part of your bodies may look more darker than the others. Let me explain another reason. In female, it is due to hormonal imbalance. When a female give birth to a child, there are a lot of hormonal changes going inside her body that will resultantly appear in shape of melasma on her face, or spots on or patches on her face, on nose, upper lips, cheeks, or anywhere. So, if another reason behind is the use of contraceptive pills. If a woman is using contraceptive pills in her past, she is more likely to develop melasma and other skin discoloration or pigmentation problems. So, in order to resolve this issue, homeopathy offers a very safe and effective way of treatment that not only removes the root cause of the problem but also give you a glowing and full body whitening. The effect will be reflected on your face. So the problem is, so now here we understand that problem is inside your body and not outside on your face. So just by applying few creams, moisturizers, or any other thing will not resolve the issue unless you will not cure the problem from inside. If your body is healthy, your skin will be healthy. If your body is weak, if your body is not healthy, your skin will also not look healthy. Drink plenty of water, eat salad, fruits, and other things like this which can refresh your skin and will help you boost your immunity and detox your body. If you only live on foods like chicken, meat, mutton, or other fish or other kind of things, and do not balance it with vegetables, salads, juices, your skin will not look good. It will look pale, it will look dirty, it will look more bad. And if you apply anything on your face, the result will be very temporary. So in order to achieve permanent results, you should treat your body, and homeopathy will help you treat your internal problems and give your skin a boost and glow. Let's now talk about some medicines in homeopathy that will affect your full body whitening, that will help you achieve a full body whitening. Full body whitening is a dream of every girl. Everyone wants to, not even girls but boys, everyone wants to be much fairer, much beautiful, because it's a symbol of beauty in our society and it will increase your confidence. So in order to do that, homeopathy will help you. Now let's talk about some homeopathy medicines. First of all, there is a combination which I have already mentioned in two of my videos, already given in my video tab of my channel. I will give them their link in in the description and also post a link on the I button of my video so you can watch it later. Number 1 medicine is Barbaris equifolium mother tincture or Barbaris equifolium Q. Mother tincture and Q are same. There is no difference between them. Next medicine is Sarsaparilla mother tincture or Sarsaparilla Q. Third medicine is Taraxicum Q. These are 3 medicines. You have to buy them all together. These medicines will be available on homeopathy stores nearby you, or you can order it online on any company's website. If you type the name in Google, they will give you link of websites on which you can buy it. So how to use it? First of all, you have to take Barbaris equifolium, take 10 drops of it, then take Sarsaparilla, take 10 drops of it, then Taraxicum, take 10 drops of it, pour it in half glass of lukewarm water and drink 3 times, half hour before or after meal in a day. You have to repeat this thing 3 times. I have received many questions. In my comments. People asking me time and again similar question, repetitive question: how to take the medicine, how to take, where to buy it, where to do it. Please explain in English. Please give subtitles, etc. I have tried to do that. I'm not very good at that, but in future I will be making more videos with subtitles and other sort of things. Hope you will understand that. So this is a homeopathy formula: Barbaris equifolium, Sarsaparilla and Taraxicum. All 3 in mother tincture. Mix 10 drops of each in half glass of lukewarm water. Drink 3 times a day. And also, there are type of peoples who have earthy complexion, harder body and tendency that they look thin, pale, and they have excessive hunger. They eat a lot. They look dark, pale, earthy complexion. In that case, if you have such type of symptoms, you will use iodium 1 m. 1 m is the power of the medicine. Weekly. Iodium 1 m, 5 drops a week. If you will take the medicine on Monday, then you will repeat it on the next Monday. Along with this combination, it is not necessary for everybody. There are other medicines like Netamur. You will use it in 30 potency, 5 drops, 3 times a day. If you eat a lot of salt, Netamur is for the people who eat a lot of salt in their diet. Another medicine is Lycopodium. Use it in 30 potency, 5 drops, 3 times a day. If you eat a lot of sugar and things made of sugar, sweets, candies, biscuit, bakery, anything, and even then you look thin. So these are the medicines in homeopathy which are used for full body whitening, skin fairness, glowing fairness and hyperpigmentation. Okay, hope you understand it very well. If you have even then any question, you can raise it in comment box below. Please, if you are watching this video for the first time and you want me to make more videos in English, please do subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, like it, and so that I can make more videos like this for you. That's all for today. See you next time. Till then, Allah Hafiz.